you have to sleep on your back with your legs straight and your ankle elevated, or you're not going to recover. We've heard that for 20 plus years. If you've had a total knee replacement and you've been told that you have to sleep on your back, but you have spinal stenosis or breathing complications or other reasons why you just can't do it, I would tell you that you should talk to your physical therapist, talk to your orthopedic surgeon. It's one thing if you're struggling to gain full knee range of motion in extension and they want you to spend time with your knee elevated and your knee straight while you're sleeping. But if you're doing your normal physical therapy during the day, if your range of motion is within reasonable standards and improving toward normal, I don't think it's that much of a priority for you to sleep flat on your back with your knee straight and your leg elevated. If you're not dealing with swelling complications, excessive edema, you probably don't have to have the leg elevated. The top priority during the first 4 to 6 weeks is recovery. And a big element of recovery is quality sleep. So if you can't sleep comfortably on your back, then talk to your surgeon, because if you're improving your range of motion during the day, you just want to focus on restorative sleep at night.